Are you familiar with Murphy's Law? Anything that can go wrong will go wrong at the worst possible moment and in the worst possible way. This is Murphy's Law of car repairs. If you manage to save $500 for car repairs, the repair is going to cost 800. That's what rule 3 comes in. Roll with the punches. This rule is about adjusting your strategy when presented with new information. So this eliminates the guilt and shame of not sticking to a budget. To roll with the punches means that when you overspend in a budget category, you just adjust. There's no guilt necessary. If you overspend in one category, you simply cover that overspending with money from another category and you move along. This is our budget from before. $30 for dining out, $400 to save for a new phone. Okay, so an old friend comes into town who I haven't seen in years. We want to go out for really great sushi, some drinks, but $30 is not going to be enough. So if I want to do this, I'm going to need more money from somewhere else. So I decide the phone can wait a month. We take $70 out of there and I move it to sushi. Done. The information changed. I didn't know my friend was going to come into town when I first created this plan, but now I do. My priorities have changed. When unexpected expenses come up, this is a question we often ask. Where is the money going to come from? Usually we ask it with a lot of frustration. That question is another cry for clarity. I'm really saying, I don't know how I'll pay for this. The frustration doesn't come from the question, it comes from our inability to answer it. But with a YNAB budget, I had clarity. I could answer that question no problem. Remember, your budget is a reflection of your current best intentions. You're in control and can make changes to your plan when you get new information. But do you have total control? Not quite, because you're still at the mercy of the paycheck to paycheck cycle. You're going to head over to Rule 4 to find out how to break free.